All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to give you that information that I promised, and we're going to make it quick. And basically, and it's beautiful cars too. You guys are going to love this. So now BMW Financial Services, which is BMW Financial Department, they are actually rolling out a program called the Ride and Share Leasing Program. All right. So what that means to you is that you can actually go in and lease a car with BMW, specifically to put it on a platform like Turo, so you could go ahead and start generating some money. Now, the best part about this program is that now you won't be, under any scrutiny for having your car on Turo. You won't have to worry about Turo finding out and kicking you off the platform, your leasing company finding out and possibly terminating your lease or whatever they do in that situation. I don't know. But long story short, you can look up, and I'll put the actual link in the description so you can go ahead and pull up all the details on that information. So you can find out where you can do it. So what I'm gathering right now is that it is in limited markets. Let's see here. So it has to be at a participating dealer. So as of right now, which I need to, confirm that these are the only locations or, what's going to be rolling out soon. But this is good news, guys. And you can get a better monthly payment on a car that you're going to use to make some cash with. So I hope y'all love it. So basically the participating dealers are in the states of California, Oregon, and Washington so far. I'm not sure if that's the only ones specifically, but that's the information that I'm getting right now. And of course, like I said, I'll leave the link in the description and you can pull up that information. Now, in terms of what's being offered, you're probably thinking, it has to be a catch. I'm sure they're not just going to, let you lease the BMWs and, you're happy-go-lucky and go make a ton of money with these cars and with no cost. Obviously, BMW wants to benefit off of the program. And I thought to myself, what could that be? And lo and behold, I found out that the actual cost associated with joining this particular lease program isn't that bad at all. So let me read out real quick what the cost would be to you to actually get onto that program and, start making some money with a nice ass car on Turo or whatever platform that, you're going to put it on. All right. So as far as additional cost for the BMW car and ride share and lease, so for a 2 Series, 3 Series, 4 Series, 5 Series, and the X model and other X6 or BMW i3 models, there is a additional cost of $2,100 over the normal lease. Now, that ain't bad. Renting out a nice car on Turo, you'll make that $2,100 really, really quick. As far as the other models, let's say a 6 Series, 7 Series, 8 Series, and the M models, the Alpina models, or the BMW X6 or i8, the additional cost over the lease payment would actually be $3,700. Now, I'm not sure why they're throwing in the X6 on that. Oh, I get it. It says on the 2100, it says other than the X6 or i3. So the X6 would fall under the $3,700 over your lease payment, which still isn't bad. Now you're looking at an X6, a nice X6, brand new, brand spanking new. You're getting about, let's say, $120 a day. I would probably think that would be on a lower end. Let's say 120 bucks. Let's say 100 bucks a day. To make that, that's basically over what? 37-day period. You know, you would pay off that additional cost, and you know, whatever. However you calculate it, make sure you do your numbers. But anyway, that's all I have for today. BMW Financial Services has, you know, extend an olive branch over to the hustlers like us, so we could go out there and make some more money without having to worry about the scrutiny or, you know, people trying to hate on you on your business. But anyway, if you like this video, if you like this information, please go ahead, like, subscribe, and share this video to whoever you think would benefit from it, and turn on your notifications so when I bring more valuable information to the community. And please share again. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And you guys have a great day. It's your boy, the 10X Closer. And listen, if you hear this information anywhere else, they probably got it from me. Or, I'm not gonna lie, I got it from, I forget her name, but she's a popular girl on YouTube. I can't think of it right now. And she has the info. So I'm just spreading the wealth to my community. And that's how it goes. It's all love. Have a good day.
It's great they on payday, nigga. Let's go get it. Motherfucking dog say. Yes, sir. Yeah. Most shit can't be televised. In life, you gotta compromise. Been jumping like I'm teleport. In the coupe, yeah, that shit be sport. Back then, I jumped off the porch. With the 2-3, that's my baby toy. Drug dealers with the fenced door. Hit of the trap at that corner store. Yeah, we dodging the police. Yeah, it could get all dirty up in these streets. Yeah, we putting up in the